A foreign student in Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Mu'min Muhammad Al-Maghari, who lost his father in the ongoing war in Gaza, has been offered a scholarship to complete his studies. The president, MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Prof Gwarzo, gave the scholarship to the student who is in the 300 level studying software engineering in the School of Computing. Professor Gwarzo, who announced the scholarship on Monday, said the gesture would go a long way in supporting Al-Maghari to complete his studies in the university. He urged the bereaved student to make the best use of the opportunity given to him to complete his studies in the university without any hitch. Responding, Al-Maghari thanked the founder of the university for the gesture and prayed to Almighty Allah to reward him abundantly. He also expressed gratitude to Professor Gwarzo and the entire management of the university for their magnanimity. Al-Maghari said he would forever remain grateful to Professor Gwarzo and the management of the university for the opportunity given to him at the time he needed support the most to complete his degree program.